Hi, and welcome back to Blue's Garden. Today we're making Beach Plum Liqueur. Beach plums grow along the oceanfront, the sandy soils on the coast from Maine to Maryland. I'm partial to the ones here in New England because they're a little sweeter with the cooler fall weather, the fall evenings. Start with picking a bunch of beach plums. I wash them right away, remove whatever leaves I have, and then I actually freeze them until I have enough to make my batch. About 24 hours or so before I am going to make, I take all of the Ziploc bags out of the freezer and let them thaw. When they're ready, simply take the beach plums, which have been frozen, which start to macerate, and measure them out. You're going to need that so you can make the recipe correctly. Measure out your beach plums. Then you are going to mix up your berries by putting the 2 cups of plum, the beach plums, and 1 cup of raw sugar. I don't like the refined, overly processed. I prefer the raw sugar. For the gallon that I mix up, 2 cups of berries, 1 cup of sugar, add to that 3 cups of 80 proof vodka. And I make 2 different batches. One is 3 cups of vodka with 1 cup of cognac, and one is just 4 cups of vodka. So this is the batch that is the 3 cups vodka, 1 cup cognac. Shake it. Then every day for the first week, shake it up and crack it, vent it to let the pressure out. Not a lot of pressure, but just crack it. Then the second week through 5, it takes about 6 weeks. The next 5 weeks, once a week, shake it up and vent it again. Then when it's time, I take my little bottles and I will strain the big berries out and fill all the bottles. At the beginning, it's pretty easy because the liquid just comes out. Eventually, you're going to start noticing the berries will start clogging up your strainer, and you might have to just scrape a little with your finger or something to get more juice in. Fill all the bottles. Now, before you go and seal the bottles, make sure you wipe the rims off with a clean towel. This batch that I'm mixing up here had none of the cognac in it. This was just the straight vodka. And this batch is the 3 cups vodka to 1 cup cognac, plus the sugar and berries. Now, if you make smaller batches, just do the math. Cut the batch in half. Again, clean the rims off before you seal them. I'd really like it if you could help me grow. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Thanks, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Blue's Garden tips.